I want to go ahead and just show you some of the first steps of the machine, how we use the technology, and why it would benefit you should you choose to use us as a company to take care of this problem. One of the first things we're going to do is we're going to go around and inspect the treatment area and identify the areas that we're going to treat, and we're going to mark them with flags. Now we're going to get the machine going, so we're going to add the water first. All right, so now we've added the sand to the water. Going to make sure that sand is getting all the way through this hose system. Once it starts mixing, you're left with a sand and water mixture. That entire Burrow system is getting filled with sand and water. The water is going to seep through, but the sand is going to stay behind, and it's going to repair all that damage. You can see it's been running for about 15-20 seconds. The water hasn't even risen to the top because of how deep this Burrow system is. So now you can see what the finished product is. We got the ground all filled up. It's completely solid, no issues at all. And then it'll just dry out and leave behind a nice smooth surface. As I mentioned before, one of the really side benefits of using this machine rather than using conventional method, trapping, rodenticide, and poison, is that places that have restrictions on the ability to use those products really like this. We're using this at a few school districts, Simi Valley Unified School District. There's a few schools in Ojai Unified School District that we're working with right now. These schools are highly sensitive to the use of poisons on their properties, not only because they just as a policy try to avoid the use of rodenticides, but also because they have kids here and we don't want any secondary exposure to non-target animals, but also particularly humans. So this is a great solution if you're looking for something like that.